In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add any MLB team schedule to your Google Calendar for 2021. It's a super convenient way to stay on top of your favorite team's games without missing a single moment. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your web browser and open up calendar.google.com. Once you're there, sign into your Google account if you haven't already. Having access to your account is essential, as it allows you to integrate your calendar with other apps and tools effortlessly. After you've signed in, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a section titled Other Calendars. Search for the small plus sign, which is located right next to it. Click on this plus sign, and a drop-down menu with several options will appear. From here, select Browse Calendars of Interest. This is where the real fun begins, as you'll soon have the chance to include various interesting calendars, such as holidays, sports events, and more directly into your Google Calendar. As you delve into the Calendars of Interest section, scroll down until you find the sports category. Hover over it and open up the baseball subsection, which is where you'll find Major League Baseball or MLB listed. This step is crucial because it signifies that we're getting closer to adding your desired team schedule. Now that you're in the MLB section, it's time to find your favorite team. With the extensive list of all the teams available, simply browse through until you spot the one you support. You'll see recognizable names like the American League All-Star Team or the Arizona Diamondbacks, along with several others. Once you've pinpointed your team, check the box next to its name to subscribe. This action is what officially adds that team's full game schedule to your calendar. Keep in mind that this step is essential because without checking the box, the team's games won't appear in your calendar view. And that's it. You've successfully added your chosen MLB team schedule to your Google Calendar. The best part is that this schedule will update automatically, ensuring you're always informed about upcoming games, changes, or cancellations. It's a wonderful way to stay connected with Major League Baseball all season long. By following these steps, you're ensuring that you won't miss any game, whether it's a thrilling league match or a must-watch rivalry. So go ahead and enjoy the games, stay updated, and make the most of your Google Calendar by keeping your favorite baseball team's schedule right at your fingertips.